I lined the oven with plastic bags and got rid of burnt-on residues without scrubbing. You can replace strong chemical cleaners for burnt stains with a homemade mixture and plastic bags. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl. Add 1 cup of vinegar and then half a cup of water. Mix the ingredients together. Prepare some plastic bags and cut them in half so they can be spread out. All you need to do is apply the cleaning solution to the inside of the oven. Spread it evenly, especially in areas with more burnt-on stains. Then cover the entire surface with the plastic bags. Leave it for a few hours. The plastic will keep the mixture from drying out. On tough, burnt-on stains, the mixture should stay on longer. Afterward, remove the bags. Use a regular sponge to wipe away the grime. It will come off easily. When you're done, wipe it clean. Look how beautiful your oven looks now.